Welcome to the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, the pinnacle of American supercar performance. The Corvette's storied history began in 1953, with the first-generation C1. Since then, the Corvette has evolved into a world-class sports car. Fast forward to the 2019 introduction of the 8th-generation C8 Corvette, which revolutionized the model with its mid-engine design. Today, we're excited to explore the range-topping ZR1. The 2025 Corvette ZR1's design is a masterclass in aggression and sophistication. Slim, LED headlights with distinctive daytime running lights lead the way. Sculpted door panels, chiseled fenders, and a swooping roofline create a dynamic silhouette. The LED taillights with a distinctive light signature complete the ZR1's stunning exterior. Inside, you'll find premium leather and Alcantara trim, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 10.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, ensure a safe driving experience. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 starts at around $140,000. Under the hood, the ZR1 packs a 6.2L supercharged V8 engine, producing 825 horsepower and 735 lb-ft of torque. An 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive deliver explosive acceleration. The ZR1 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and reaches a top speed of 212 miles per hour. Key features include advanced aerodynamics package, electronic limited slip differential, carbon ceramic brake system, performance traction management system. The Corvette ZR1's unique selling points include its hand-assembled engine, rear-wheel drive dynamics, exclusive design elements, including carbon fiber trim, available track-focused ZTK performance package. With its stunning design, exceptional performance, and rich history, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is an American supercar icon. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of high-performance cars, the Corvette ZR1 is sure to impress. Thanks for watching.